Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sweet sauce. Making your own delicious barbecue sauce is simpler than you might think, and it tastes so much better than store-bought options. We'll start by gathering a few key ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. This easy guide will help you create a versatile sauce perfect for all your grilling needs, adding a fantastic flavor to any dish. Achieving the perfect balance between sweet and tangy is crucial for a great barbecue sauce. Brown sugar is our main source of sweetness, offering a deep, caramelized flavor. To cut through that richness, we'll use apple cider vinegar, which provides a bright, acidic kick. You can easily adjust the amounts of these two ingredients to suit your personal taste, making the sauce uniquely yours. Now, let's talk about the spices that elevate our sauce from good to absolutely fantastic. Smoked paprika is a must, bringing a wonderful smoky depth and a beautiful reddish hue. Garlic powder and onion powder form the savory backbone, adding essential aromatic notes. For those who enjoy a little warmth, a small amount of cayenne pepper can provide a gentle, delightful kick without overpowering the other flavors. Once all your ingredients are combined, it's time to bring everything together. Pour everything into a saucepan and simmer it gently over medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. This simmering time allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. After cooling completely, transfer your homemade barbecue sauce to an airtight container for storage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.